Here's the most common problem I see with websites. The problem is that stuff is not being measured. So you have all this stuff on your website. You have, something on your homepage, and maybe you're on e-commerce stuff, so you have a category page, product page, and you're like, hey, what should I change about my website to make people buy more of my stuff? Like, well, sure, but let's see what are people doing or not doing on your website to begin with. We'll look at your analytics data, and there's nothing there because no measurement has been set up. Are they scrolling down? How far down the page? Which elements are they seeing or not seeing? If it's on a category page, you have all this, let's say filters. They can filter by price, they can filter by color, size, all these things. They can change the sort order of the products. How many people are using it? And if they are using it, what is the impact on their purchasing behavior? So if you don't measure every single thing that users can do on your website, you're in the dark. You're blind and stupid in a situation where you don't need to be blind nor stupid. You can be very educated about things. Sometimes I see business owners or marketers worry about an area of their website that nobody ever goes to, like 0.2%. You don't need to just come up with ideas and wonder about it. You can look at the data and see, if people interact with these things, they're far more likely to convert. Or maybe people are interacting with your filters, like they sort by price, and they want brown shoes in size 11. And you see if people use the combination of these three filters, the conversion rate goes way up. It's now you want to optimize to get more people to use those three filters. You want to make them more prominent. And maybe some filters that people are using have zero impact on the purchasing behavior. So you want to either get rid of them or minimize them, change the order. So basically what I'm saying is that if you have data on what people are doing and not doing, that will solve half your problems because you'll actually know what might have an impact.